Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you all about Squish to Condish. So when I originally filmed the Squish to Condish video, I went at it with the mindset that several people had made some comments to me that my videos were entirely too long and I needed to make them shorter. Well, I listened to those negative comments or constructive criticism, whichever way you want to look at it, and I tried real hard to make my original Squish to Condish video concise and to the point. Sadly, that created way more questions than it answered. So here I am today refilming this video for you so that I can address a lot of the questions that arose out of the Squish to Condish video. First off, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate y'all. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name's Courtney and I am just enjoying this journey to healthy hair. If you would, please subscribe and click that notification bell. I would love to have you around for some more videos. I've got a lot planned, and if this video is more helpful to you than the original Squish to Condish video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, so what happened with the original video is that I showed a really good Squish to Condish with my rinse out conditioner. I showed you what the seaweed hair is that we're shooting for, what it looks like when there's not enough conditioner in your hair and your hair is not in the seaweed clump state. But the questions all arose out of, well, what stage do we apply our products on our hair? Do we have to have the seaweed clumps in order to have a good product application? And the answer is yes. What happened with me is that I trimmed out my second Squish to Condish that I do when I apply my leave-in. So today I am not going to edit this video and try and cut it super short. I'm going to let it be in full detail, fully explaining everything so that all of your questions about Squish to Condish and seaweed hair and ways to get your hair to clump together really well are answered. All right, let's get into the video.
All right, here we are over my tub. Once again, I am just taking my hair out of its very nasty day 4 braid. I actually had a pre-poo in my hair on this particular day. It was an oil pre-poo and it made my hair particularly greasy. So I am going to really take my time making sure that I get my hair thoroughly saturated, scrub my scalp a little bit, and I'm grabbing my Simply Curls Co. clean shampoo. My goodness, guys, I'm still loving this stuff. I save it for days when I really want a good clean. I don't necessarily categorize it as a clarifier, but it is a very strong low poo. I'm not actually sure where it lands, if it counts as a clarifier or not, but tell you what, I always feel so clean when I use it. So I'm just going to take my time here, really rinsing that out of my hair. I'm actually still scrubbing my scalp a bit with the pads of my fingers to make sure that all that pre-poo oil is dislodged from my hair. I find that really scrubbing my scalp well helps get rid of any oil or grease buildup. Now I'm grabbing the Simply Curls Co. conditioner. I grabbed about 4 pumps of that, and I will be doing my first Squish to Condish with this conditioner. This conditioner is designed as a rinse out conditioner. The pH of this conditioner is around 3, and that is slightly more acidic than your hair. So you don't necessarily want to leave this conditioner on your hair. It's meant to help your hair's cuticle close and then be rinsed out. It's not designed to be left on your hair because that pH is too low. But you can see that I really brushed it through with my wet brush, added a little bit of water to the back of my head, also to the palms of my hands, and now I'm just doing a really good Squish to Condish. You can see that those clumps are big and juicy and awesome. Now that I have done a decent Squish to Condish, I'm going to rinse all of that out and make sure to continue to scrub my scalp. I've really been noticing a difference when I do that lately. As I'm rinsing out my conditioners, my low poos, it really seems to help my scalp. Now I'm grabbing my Giovanni Direct Leave-In to do my second Squish to Condish. And as you can see, I didn't grab very much leave-in conditioner. If your hair is drier and more thirsty than mine, you are welcome to grab more leave-in, but I find that this small amount works very well for me without weighing my hair down. Now I'm just going to run the wet brush through my hair to smooth everything down, as well as finish distributing that leave-in. I like to use my fingers first and then finish distributing with a wet brush. Now I'm just raking everything off the back of my head, smoothing those front clumps down one more time, adding a little water to the back of my head. And is it really a Squish to Condish video without these delicious, squelchy, squishy sounds? It's this sound that tells me that I have enough water in my hair and conditioner. It's just awesome. I know those sounds are a little cringy to listen to, but it's not so cringy when you're doing it. It's just an indicator to me that I have the correct amount of water in my hair. You want the squelch, you want the squishy sounds. All right, so I am still squishing with that leave-in to make sure that it is thoroughly penetrated into every hair strand on my head. All right. Now you can see that the second Squish to Condish left my clumps slightly smaller, but I still had good seaweed-esque type hair. Now I'm going in and showing you how I am applying my stylers. I just grabbed the Simply Curls Co. Flaxseed Gel. This is an honest styler for me. It's not the strongest hard hold ever, but it's a good curl enhancer, decent hold, really honest product. I do enjoy it. Also, make sure that you are shaking the hair off the back of your head and applying product to those back sections of your hair. It will help curl definition in the back of your head. When I figured out that I wasn't doing this properly, it made a world of difference for me when I started applying product to the back of my head and really turning my head from side to side when I applied my stylers. I hope that helps you out. It sure helped me out. And as you can see, I am really taking my time squishing in this product as well. That was the size of my clumps. They actually got a little bit bigger after I applied my product. And now I'm showing you the awesome towel that I talked about earlier in my videos. This is a microfiber towel from R撫ZO, and they were kind enough to send it to me. I have actually been really enjoying plopping my hair with this. It's got this little elastic that you attach to a button on the back of your head. I have really been finding that it works super well for plopping my hair after applying my stylers.
And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I sure hope this video helped answer some of your questions. If you would, please let me know down below if there are any more questions you have on Squish to Condish. I would love to answer them, and I'll do my very best to answer each and every single question. Again, thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!